Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2015 Subaru Forester Limited. This one is in the satin white pearl exterior with the gray leather. As you can see, nice roof racks up top, coming down here to your wheels. These are going to be our, let's see, these are 17-inch alloy wheels, rear disc brakes on this model. Coming around back, as you can see, rear wiper, rear backup camera, as well as a power trunk. Then coming in, just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. This one does have 80,678 miles. So go ahead and stick the key in the ignition and twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 2.5 liter flat 4, producing 170 horsepower and 174 foot-pounds of torque. All going to all four wheels through Subaru's classic symmetrical all-wheel drive system and a continuously variable transmission. So that's about it for underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that gray leather interior. It is going to be perforated on this model. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. And then coming to your door panel, padded and stitched armrest with your power windows, locks and mirrors with door storage down below. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, we do have our panel dim, as well as traction control and your power trunk. And then coming to your steering wheel, there's going to be a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel. You have your cruise control, as well as your audio, as well as your voice commands and Bluetooth, and then your driver information center controls for that center screen up top. Over here on the left, automatic headlights, as well as fog lights and blinkers, and then over on the right, you have your wiper controls for your front and rear. Now, dashboard's all nice soft touch material, thankfully. Now, coming to our audio system, we do have AM, FM, as well as our CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. CD up top, volume, tune knobs, 6 presets right here. Now, your driver information center up top, it does just display stuff like your gas mileage, and you can just toggle through pressing your arrows down here on your steering wheel. All of its commands, symmetrical all-wheel drive control, stuff like that. Zooming back out, coming down here, we do have our single zone manual climate controls with your temperature, fan speed, and zones. 12-volt outlet, some storage down here, as well as your dual stage heated seats for your front passengers. Here's going to be that CVT automatic with your low mode, and then in reverse, rear view camera up there on your information screen. E-brake, as well as cup holders, sliding and adjusting padded armrest. Looking down in there, you do have those audio inputs as well as a 12-volt. Glove box stamped with all your owner's manuals in there. Up top, auto-dimming rearview mirror with garage home link and compass. You have your vanity mirror on your sun visor, as well as some map lights, sunglass storage, and this massive sunroof. As you can see, it does almost extend over your rear seat. We'll open that up. It is automatic. So let's go ahead and close that. It does let in a lot of light. And so we will check out the rear seat now. Coming back here, your gray perforated leather carries through, as well as all your door panel materials with your padded stitched leather and your door storage. Front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below as well, dual seat mat pockets also. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders, and then up top we do have our cornering handles that are damped with a dome light. As you can see, that sunroof does let in a ton of light, as I said. Good view of the dash right there, and we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we'll wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to open up your power hatch, there's a button inside, or just press and hold the button on your key. It will open right up. You can actually select a memory setting, so if your garage is a little bit lower, you can make the trunk only open to a certain height. Coming back here, rear seats do fold down 60/40, those front carpeted mats, as well as your rear cargo tray, which is a nice touch to keep the carpets protected. Storage on either side with a little bit of illumination. Underneath your cargo floor, you do have some storage in that styrofoam, and then underneath there, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. So we'll go ahead and close up our hatch. And that'll be it for this 2015 Subaru Forester Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.